In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Google and the website Temu to access their support resources. This guide is particularly useful if you ever need assistance while using their platform. So without further ado, let's get started. First things first, let's open our preferred web browser. For most people, that's usually Google Chrome, but feel free to use any browser you're comfortable with. Once your browser is open, head over to the Google search page. In the search bar, type in Temu and hit enter. Doing this will bring up various results related to the Temu website. You'll notice a link directly to Temu's official site. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to their main landing page, which is a hub of activities and showcased products. Now, for those of you who are just here to find some help or specific information, this next step is crucial. Look towards the top of the homepage for an option labeled Support. Click on this link. It's a handy resource for when you're a bit unsure or if things go slightly awry. After you click Support, be prepared to be redirected to another page dedicated solely to customer assistance. Now that you're on the support page, you'll see another choice that says Support Center. Click on that as well. The Support Center is where you'll access detailed help topics and articles. This area is designed to provide you with comprehensive support, ranging from frequently asked questions to detailed problem resolutions. From here, the next thing you're going to do is look for an option referred to as Highlight. Clicking this will give you access to some key topics or issues that many users encounter. This can be extremely helpful as it often covers the most common concerns you might have. Continuing onward, you should see an option labeled Continue with Google. Clicking this helps streamline the process by allowing you to use your Google account credentials. It's a time-saving step and keeps you logged in for easy access in the future. Once you're logged in, remember to click on Highlight again, as this is essential in ensuring that you've got all the pertinent information you need clearly displayed. And just to make sure you've captured everything, there's one more highlight to click on. As you become more familiar with this process, you'll find navigating and resolving those pesky little problems becomes much faster and more efficient. And there you have it. You've successfully guided yourself through the steps necessary to find and use the support resources on Temu. Thank you for following along with me in this video, and I hope these steps make your online browsing a bit smoother next time you need help. If you found this